Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Ashimary Hair. Now today I'm showing you guys their Burmese curl 13x4 lace pull go wig. It's 100% glueless. It comes with an adjustable wig cap. It's easy for beginners. It has full volume and natural edges. Now the one that I'm showing you guys today is a 13x4 lace frontal. However, they do have this in a 6x4.5 closure, which is what I would have preferred. But with either option, you can actually go ahead and do a side part, which I just showed you guys a clip of if you would like to. I stuck with the middle part because I just felt like that's what looked best on me. But yes, you do have room to do a side part. Rewind the video if you missed me showing you guys how far you can go on the side, but I'm also going to show you guys some more clips of the lace as well. The length that I have is, I want to say, a 22-inch. This one also does come with 180% density or 250% density. And I will have the direct link listed in the description box down below. As you guys can see, it's obviously a curly hair texture. The lace is a transparent lace, by the way. So keep that in mind. You will need some foundation to add onto that lace to help it blend in a whole lot better. It's 100% human hair, and the wig cap size goes anywhere from 21.5 to 23.5. Again, you do have the adjustable strap. That way you can tighten the wig cap. It also comes with lace tape and all the good stuff, everything to make it 100% glueless for you and just make it easy and beginner friendly. This wig has lots of shine, lots of bounce, and it came out the box that way. That's that lace, you guys, is 13x4. As you can see, it's that adjustable strap in the back, the lace tape, literally everything you need in a wig unit if you're not trying to use product to get your lace to lay down. And that is what the lace looks like against my skin. Keep in mind, it is a transparent lace, as I mentioned before, so you will need to add foundation or some type of makeup on that lace to help it blend in better. Okay, the adjustable elastic band that I just pulled down right there, you just pull it down. I tuck the string underneath the wig cap, that's all. This is the lace tape, you guys, and it goes on each side, like literally right by your ear. However, as you can see, my sideburns are very thick and they come down far, and that tape will be all over my hair, which I do not like, so I will not be using that part of the wig. However, that elastic band did exactly what it was supposed to do. So after I utilized the elastic band, I went ahead and just added some foundation on this lace just to help it blend in a whole lot better. The lace is pretty thin, but it's that transparent color that kind of gets you tripped up. Depending on the type of light that you're in, it's more noticeable, but trust me, in person you will see it. So it's very important that you have a powder foundation. I'm personally using a cream foundation to go ahead and just blend it in a whole lot better, and I did the same thing with the middle part. If you guys want to know what products I use, I do have an Amazon storefront. It's always listed in my videos. That way you guys can actually see what type of products I use for my wig installs to help them look even more natural. So I don't know what you guys think about like the little spiral curl ends. I do think it's very cute, but let's be realistic. Naturally, a lot of us is going to want to separate the curls on this and do a little curly hair routine. And you guys know I do not like wasting time, so my curly hair routine is very simple. I'm just showing you guys what this finished side looks like. It's not 100% dry yet, but I'm going to show you what I did. So basically, I just separated the hair, added a little bit of water wherever I needed to add water, and then I just added some mousse on the top of the hair, and I went very light with it. This hair did not need a lot of product at all. It behaved very well with the products that I did use, by the way. I had minimal shedding, I had no smell. Again, the hair had lots of shine, lots of bounce, and it came that way. So quality wise, I do feel like the hair is very, very, very nice. Lace wise, I do feel like the lace is very beginner friendly. I enjoy the fact that they added all those properties to this wig to make it glueless, make it beginner friendly, make it a quick wig install, because nowadays that's what the girls is going for. I know a lot of girls in general, like, you know, just in the world period, love their lace fronts because there's so many different styles you can do with it. This is one of them. However, if you're like me, you stick to what you know. Okay, so again, this one does come in a 13x4, a 13x6, and it also has a 6x4.5. The one that I'm showing you guys today is a 13x4. If I was to purchase this with my own money, I would most likely get the lace closure because that's what I go for, and that's exactly how I treated this wig as well. But the good thing about it is that you do have options. So as always, I'll have the link in my description box down below. Please make sure you check it out if you are interested. Shout out to Ashimary hair. This wig is great, and I will see you guys next time.